Tired of a messy Jira board with columns you never use? Learn how to delete any column in under 30 seconds. So if your board has been accumulating clutter, statuses from projects that ended last quarter, or columns that just don't make sense anymore, you are definitely not alone. It happens to all of us. The issue is, when you try to clean it up, it can feel like Jira fights you every step of the way. But it does not have to be that way. I will walk you through the exact steps. Open your project, access the board, and remove the column with just a few clicks. By the end of this, your board is going to look exactly the way it should. All right, let us start with the first step, logging in. Open up your Jira account. This is the easy part, but make sure you are using the same account that has admin or project management permissions for that specific board. If you log in and do not see the option to edit columns, that is probably why. So just double check that before we go any further. Once you are logged in, go ahead and navigate to your project. Now, this is the project that has that board you want to clean up. In my experience, people often try to delete the column from the wrong project. So take a second and make sure the project name in the top left matches where your issues actually live. This is a real board I have been working with, and I want to show you exactly how it looks when you do it right. From the project, you need to switch to the board view. Look for the navigation on the left side of the screen and click on the option that says Board. If you are currently looking at a list or a backlog, you are not going to see the column options we need. So just click Board to get that visual kanban style layout. This is where the magic happens. Now, locate the column you want to remove. Maybe it is a status called On Hold that nobody uses, or maybe you have a testing column that is redundant. Find that column header, and on the right side of it, you will see 3 little dots. Click on those 3 dots. This is the menu that controls everything about that specific column. And here is the really important part. Make sure there are no active issues sitting in that column. If there are, Jira is not going to let you just delete it. You will need to move those issues to another column first. I have definitely made that mistake before. A menu appears. You are going to see a few options here. Look for the one that says Delete. Go ahead and click on it. Quick tip here, do not click anything else. It is easy to accidentally change the column name or mess with the workflow statuses. Just aim for the Delete option. Jira asks for confirmation. It wants to make sure you are serious about this. A pop-up will appear that basically says, "Are you sure you want to delete this column?" Click the Delete button again to confirm. And that is it. The column vanishes instantly. Your board now has one less piece of clutter. And there you go. From a cluttered, confusing Jira board with unwanted columns to a clean, streamlined board with only the columns you actually need. Took just a few seconds. You can repeat this for any other columns that need to go. I hope this helps you keep your workflow tight and focused.